At Dreisilker Electric Motors, we believe reliability isn't just an expectation, it's a requirement. When motors fail, businesses lose productivity, time, and money. Since 1955, we've built our expertise to solve the toughest electric motor challenges, helping our customers maximize uptime and efficiency. Motor reliability begins with how old windings are removed and new ones are installed, but not all stripping methods are equal. The industry standard for removing old motor windings relies on high-heat burnout ovens, incinerators, or torches, which can damage cores and reduce efficiency. At Dreisilker, we take a different approach. With our exclusive MotorSafe stripping process, we safely remove windings without compromising core integrity. We warm the stator to its insulation class temperature, then hydraulically pull the coils out while they are soft and pliable. To ensure the motor is restored to OEM standards, we collect winding data and perform core loss testing before and after every MotorSafe rewind. With a clean and undamaged stator, every rewind is executed with expert craftsmanship, combining decades of hands-on experience with advanced technology such as our automated coil winding machines. Precision rewinding is only one part of the equation. Every component of a motor must work together for optimal performance. That's why, unlike many repair shops, we have an in-house machining center. This enables us to restore worn or damaged parts to OEM standards while maximizing reliability and turnaround time. Accurate machining restores components to exact specifications, but ensuring long-term uptime doesn't stop there. Motors also need protection to endure tough conditions. Our advanced varnishing methods, trickle varnishing, vacuum pressure impregnation, Ultra Seal, and multiple dip and bake provide superior insulation and durability, extending motor life with specialty varnishes and epoxies for long-lasting repairs. Once the rewinding and varnish process is complete, every motor undergoes comprehensive testing and quality checks to confirm it meets our standards. With rigorous inspections and performance verification, we guarantee motors are ready for peak operation. Beyond repairing motors, understanding why they fail is key to preventing future breakdowns. Our expert teams analyze failures and develop solutions to optimize performance, providing tailored strategies to keep industries running. If issues do arise, our field service team is on-site troubleshooting, diagnosing, and solving motor problems before they become critical failures. From predictive maintenance to emergency repairs, we help our customers improve uptime and reliability. When repair isn't the best solution, having the right replacement motor on hand is critical. That's why we keep a full inventory of motors and parts, available both in-store and online, so our customers can get what they need when they need it. Just as my father, Henry Dreisilker, envisioned, we make sure our customers never have to wait when they need a motor. Thank you for learning more about Dreisilker. We take pride in keeping industries running and supporting those who power the world. We look forward to being your trusted service provider for years to come.